Hello and thanks for the click. This isn't quite the first video I wanted to make for this channel. I originally started editing a project video which will be coming in the next few weeks hopefully, or a few days. No sooner had I started editing that video than my PC died. It seems to have died with some sort of memory fault or another. It was an Intel i5 and about 9 years old, so it was time for replacement anyway. So I've replaced it with a Ryzen 7, which is a big difference in performance and ideal for video editing. Making use of a GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card. It's not really about computers, this channel. I wanted to make it more about what I build, what I make. I work in electronics and I wanted to share and give back to the community. I use a lot of open source software, Linux predominantly, and open source applications, all kinds of fabrication, welding, turning, milling, vacuum forming, 3D printing. So I hope to be able to give back a little bit and share some of my projects with you. In the coming days I'm going to be making a video on a 3-axis gimbal which you can use for filming. So that's going to be based on the Storm 32 and that will be mostly a 3D printing task as many of the components for electronics are already built. I hope watching me build a PC for now isn't too tedious, and I'll see you again very soon with that project video. Thanks again.